a big disgrace to the rule of law. Canadian government blasts Abubakar Malami. Kelechi Mado, QC, the Minister of Justice and Solicitor General of the government of Alberta, has reacted to the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu's rearrest. He is advocating for his immediate release and reprimanding the federal government for arresting him in such an unlawful manner. Apart from calling for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, arrowhead of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, he waved off Nigerian Attorney General Abubakar Malami son as a disgrace to the rule of law. According to Mado, in a statement quoted by GWG.ng, I urge the Nigerian government, led by Muhammad Buhari, to ensure the safety of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. I urge his immediate release. Reports suggest that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was abducted in Kenya with the active collaboration of the Kenyan government, led by President Uhuru Kenyatta. If true, Nigeria and Kenya violated international law and the rule of law that is supreme in their respective countries. I call upon the international community and in particular Nigeria and other countries to come in for intervention. Oh, can I say a congratulations to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Can I say a congratulations to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and also a congratulations to the Biafrans? Yes. See, Biafran freedom has been actualized. Through this means, Biafran will be actualized. Through this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arrest, Biafran freedom will be actualized. I bet you. Biafran freedom will be actualized through this means. I'm telling you. You go and check it. You go and check it. Say that I said it through the Lord channel, the Lord TV channel. That Biafran freedom will be actualized through this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's arrest. Since after the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, look at the tension that alone has been creating. This alone has been, the tension has been on for over a week now. There is no day people will not say one or two things or one or two that. And if you try to take your statistics to see who they are throwing their support to, you will see that Nnamdi Kanu is gaining 99 support compared to the Nigerian government. Those you see that are supporting the Nigerian government are probably Buhari's aide. Now, this is an international figure that is speaking right now. He is saying it that it is a very big disgrace to the AGF Malami, the Attorney General of Nigeria, to have applied such an unlawful way of arrest. Oh my God, it is a truth. It is truth. Such a person in such a position and status applying such an idea of arrest, that person is a thug. Abubakar Malami, you are a thug for doing that. For arresting Nnamdi Kanu in such a way, in such a manner. Are you responsible? You are not a son anyway. How can You offer people a senior advocate of Nigeria and also an AGF to Nigerian government. You are not just a disgrace to the rule of law, but a disgrace to the world at large. Well, it is for the advantage of the Biafrans anyway, because if this is presented at the law court, you will now see that this is going to be used to fetch Biafran freedom for the Biafrans. No two ways about it. I'm telling you the truth. No two ways about it. Oh. Go and make your findings and you understand what I'm talking about. Go and make your findings. My dear viewers, with all this that is happening, with all this that is going on, with all this that we are experiencing, I tell you that it is a means for Biafrans to gain their freedom. And there is no way, nothing that is going to deny them of that. Nothing. Biafrans have gained their freedom. Biafrans have gained their freedom. And there is nothing is going to deny them of the opportunity. Not even the president. Not even Buhari. Not even the ministers. You understand? Not even the ministers. You see that? So, nobody that we hear of Nnamdi Kanu's rearrest and will not want to throw support to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody. Look at the UK government. The UK government are now saying what they know about it. They have thrown a challenge to President Muhammadu Buhari. They have told him to give them a detailed explanation on the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is deported and arrested in that kind of unlawful act. You see that? Let me hear from you to know what you have to say. Don't forget to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.